Hey everybody, I'm Rob Freeman and welcome back to Insuring the Built Environment. This week we're answering the question, what is stopgap insurance coverage? Well, stopgap insurance coverage is just what it sounds like. It's a insurance policy or an endorsement to close a gap in your workers' compensation insurance program. And if you are in one of four states, or if you're in doing business in any or all of the four what they call monopolistic states, where you're only able to buy a workers' compensation policy directly from the state itself, North Dakota, Ohio, Washington State, and Wyoming are the four monopolistic states. If you're in doing business in those states and you have employees in those states, you may not have what they call employer's liability insurance. Employer's liability insurance is usually the second important coverage that's packaged with a workers' compensation policy. So if you're, say, doing business in New York and you buy a workers' compensation policy, it should have employer's liability coverage in there. But if you're buying workers' comp from North Dakota, Ohio, Wyoming, or Washington State, you're probably not going to get automatic employer's liability insurance. So that's where you need a stopgap policy to close that gap where you don't have the employer's liability insurance anymore. So a stopgap insurance policy is something that closes that employer's liability gap in those monopolistic states. Or if for some reason you didn't have an employer's liability coverage in your workers' compensation policy. And employer's liability is really important coverage because it protects you from claims by your employees that you are running an unsafe work environment. You are somehow negligent in causing some bodily injury or illness to those employees. It also protects you from action over claims, third-party action over claims. In another video, we talked about third-party action over and how it's such a huge problem in the state of New York, as well as other states, but mostly in New York because of what they call Labor Law 240, 241. So anyway, so in a nutshell, stopgap insurance coverage protects you from it closes a gap in your workers' compensation policy if you are buying work comp in one of the four monopolistic states, North Dakota, Ohio, Washington State, or Wyoming. And it provides you with that employer's liability coverage that you would have in almost every other state where you're buying a policy that wasn't provided directly from the state. So that's it. If you have questions about your business insurance program and you want to reach out, please feel free to schedule an appointment with me at the link below this video, or you can just go directly to robfreeman.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this is helpful, and have a great day.